Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a device on the SmartLife app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove a device. Maybe you no longer use that device, or maybe you're giving that device away. How do you actually go ahead and remove a device? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the SmartLife app. Next, click on the device that you want to go ahead and remove. Then, click on the upper right-hand corner where you see the pencil icon. And then on this page here, if you scroll down, you can see that you have the option to remove a device. So click on remove device and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove a device on the SmartLife app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.